Well, look what I found next to the trail. This cool old cedar stump. It's right next to the homeowner's trail. They decided they didn't really want to have this bear trap hanging over two trails. So this alder snapped partway up. And if a bear were to come along, and there are bear around this area, but I've never heard of a bear trap actually trapping a bear. But if a bear were to come along and rub on the tree, it can shake this whole top down and be a deadfall type of a situation. Deadfall trap, something like that. I like to say that throw line skills pay the bills. Maybe put a rope on it and give it a little pull, maybe with a little mechanical advantage. Should snap off. I'll probably rethrow and aim further toward the break.